Why, hello there, Internet.
How about I
Want
get
to
my gun at you for a while, see how you like it?
go ahead, bro. I will fucking blow your brains out. Anyway, yeah, so I totally died to a glowing one. Uh, oops. I guess. Because Boone, being lazy bitch, ballin' breaks banana. So, you know what my problem actually is? I've actually been thinking about it. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up really doing it. But I've been thinking about turning off VATs or making it like one of my rules that I can't use VATs. Yo, Boone. Boone, you can't be dying on me right now. We're on hardcore. You can die. How are you doing? Good. One battle cap off this bitch. You better not be poisoned. Or irradiated, or whatever the fuck. I need you. I seem to remember this being easier, but... whatever can I do? Nothing. Oh, that's a lot of ammo right there, and that's gonna weigh me the fuck down. Okay, where's the next batch of ghouls at? Down the road some. There's lots of loot here on the way. Dead ghoul. Oh, laser rifle. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna become over encumbered super fast. Because I do things like take Nuka-Cola bottles. That's a vice of mine. Cowboy repeater. Now I'm encumbered. Fantastic. Do. Do I have anything I can repair here? I can repair that. Still encumbered, huh? I guess I'll drop that. I'll wear that. And drop that. Shit. You know what? I've pretty much got to run back into town and sell some shit. Jeez. I think I'm gonna do that actually, cause damn, I picked up like all this flamer fuel and all these. What's the laser rifle use? Fusion cells. I don't know if I can use electron charge back, right? No, okay. Run back to town super quick. Gotta get my running shoes on. Go get my hustle. I'm gonna get there. The guy who runs the dino shop's gonna give me a pat on my butt and say, "Good hustles." The walls are purple. The bricks are blue. Oh, there he is.
Welcome back.
I should pay attention instead of looking at the score of the baseball game. Yes. Let's toss up.
Have a look.
You can have my flamer fuel. And you can have my electron charge packs. Do I have anything that uses the... Nope. I don't have a laser weapon either, so you can have these. And... what do I have in my misc? You could take those and those. And those. There we go. Enjoy, sir. One last thing I've got to do is... no, that's a waste. Okay, anyway. Shoot you in the legs. Oh, this ended up being super boring. I'm so sorry. Am I wearing the beret? I am wearing the beret. Hey, mercenary, wanna make some money? We got a real pretty gun there. Oh man, I gotta level up in barter so fucking bad. Like, the thing that I really like about these games, and like, I've only played the first Fallout for just a little bit, so I can't say that it's the same way. But the faster you take up certain skills, it ends up paying off in the end. Like, barter is one of those things that almost nobody picks, or nobody I know of picks, but it's super useful to have because you'll get all the money ever, and you can buy every gun. It pretty much turns into like Metal Gear Solid 4. Do it, Boone. Do it, Boone. Boone, I said do it. I didn't say don't do it. I said do it. Why is that one carrying a hammer? Ash pile. That is a dead Nightkin. No, I did pick up the chessboard. Oh, so much good fucking stuff. Ah, you don't want me to pick those up. I wonder what's in this here. Grenade box. Grenades! Oh, thank you. I leveled up. Let's do some barter. Take that up to 40, start making some fucking money. And I suppose I'll do that in survival. So I get a perk? Oh, I do get a perk. what did I say I was gonna do this time? Comprehension? Black Widow. Boom. I am now the Black Widow. Oh, there's totally a bed right here. Cool. Come there, Boone. Got some more ghouls to kill. Actually, I should be using my laser rifle. Not Billy's laser rifle, my laser rifle. There it is. No EDS for the laser rifle, for the laser weapons in this game. Why? It's a weird thing they did. If you're gonna put in like true iron sights, why do they not apply to the energy weapons? Anyway, there are ghouls here, they just haven't faded in yet. Am I correct? Because I know they're up there guarding the entrance. And really? Oh, I guess the ghouls that are supposed to be here ended up being those ghouls that we killed over there. Okay. It's time to fight. Where are they? Boone. Something's not right. There's supposed to be ghouls here. And yet I see no ghouls. Okay. Head on inside, and I'm gonna have somebody like, oh, you got to follow me and this guy upstairs.
Hey, over here.
There we go.
Are you listening? Go to
Yes. Come on, smooth skin up the stairs.
all the way up and hurry.
Ugh. Doing my ghoul impression. Hurts my throat. Okay. Stealth boy? Nope. Oh, encumbered again? Now I believe this is the store. This is like the most direct route. Boone? There you are. What's wrong with you? Why are you clipping through the door like that? Boone. Stop. Ooh, the ghouls are mad.
Run from me.
Woo! That one ran straight into the air. Actually, you know what? I just realized I can totally give him shit. Fuck yes. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna give you this leather armor. Oh, such an idiot. Why wasn't anybody telling me this? Fuck, people. You're supposed to be telling me in the comments what to do. Let me down. What am I even doing? Okay, Boone, I heard you just... Oh boy. I heard you draw your knife, and that was stupid. You need to use your hunting rifle. What is happening? Boone? Thank you, Boone. Now I'm out of fucking everything. Fucking, my arms are crippled now too? Boone, I fucking blame you for this shit, you know. It's your fault. Boom! Blow out your kneecaps for making me take damage. Can all ghouls please STF you? There we go. There's one of these dickheads that finally had a stealth one. Fuck. You know, I would love to take those. Can you do that, Boone? Smartass. No. Oh. Anyway, we're here at the top of the steps, and hang on.
All right, Smoothskin. I'm letting you in. You better watch yourself. I'll sure as hell be watching you.
Okay, I'm gonna head on in, but before that, I'm gonna do some inventory trading with Boone, and see you in the next part.